Go.
Go! Alright, so we've been posting on YouTube pretty regularly now for every other week, and we've really been enjoying making the videos and producing the videos and uploading the videos and interacting with our subscribers. So we decided we'd like to start posting more frequently.
We've been posting for probably about 3 months now, every other week. Part of what's driving that is that we're really enjoying getting out with camera, doing something. But I think more than that even is like sitting down and editing the video.
Hi, good morning.
Which we've been doing that with photos for years. And we've just started with the video. Anyway, I think that is what we're getting to.
Going forward, we're going to start posting every week. We'll keep the every other week to longer, more in-depth videos. The odd weeks we're going to post kind of just life, like us taking a walk around the block and things that we do, and cooking and photography and the other hobbies that we enjoy doing.
They will be short videos.
That's it. That's our intro. This is what we're doing and why we're doing it, and I hope you enjoy this one. Oh, it's a little bitty teardrop. That's cool.
I like it.
Yeah. That's neat. Oh, it's got solar too. About a year ago, Nick and I started smoking our own turkeys at home. We found that it tastes a lot better. We could freeze any leftovers and defrost them as we needed, and it was much, much cheaper than buying deli meat from the grocery store. So today I have a turkey that I'm going to smoke. I'm going to do a dry rub, and I will show you the steps. I already have the smoker set to 325, so it's warming up. So yeah, let's begin. We'll start with the dry rub. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is about a tablespoon of salt. Next, same thing, about a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of paprika, about a half a tablespoon of black pepper, about a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. I like garlic, so I like to try and put a little bit extra. We'll do probably about a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cayenne. And then I like a little sweet, so we're gonna add some brown sugar as well. Probably about 2 teaspoons. I've already taken my turkey, it's defrosted. I've removed all of the insides and patted it dry. So now we're going to go ahead and add my dry rub, and we're gonna get it on top and then under the skin as well, so that the meat gets to the turkey as well. So finally, the last thing we're going to do is baste it with a little bit of butter. This will help the outside brown some, as well as the seasoning adhere to the turkey. Alright, so this bird is ready to go on the smoker. All set, we're going to cook the turkey until the internal temperature reaches 165 or a little bit higher. Alright, our turkey has an internal temperature of about 170, 175. So I'm taking it off the grill. We're going to let it rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to cut it up. I'll finish carving this turkey and separate it out and freeze anything that is not going to be eaten in the next week or so. It's good. I tasted it earlier, and the turkey is still pretty moist and very flavorful. Hi. So today's kind of a big day. Our boy Bosley here is getting his first haircut. So he's about 1 week shy of 6 months old, and I weighed him this morning and he weighs right at 38 pounds. So you can see he's a bit fluffy. When we're done, we're gonna be all clean and beautiful. Come on, Buzz! Come on, buddy! Come on! 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, look how fluffy she is! Oh, look how pretty.